Today you'll take the quiz for Section 11-2 in Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, the date, and your class period at the top of the page. The first section is fill in the blank. You'll use 5 of the words from the word list to fill in the sentences. Here are the words: 1890, 1790, Erie Canal, National Road, nuclear, steam, keys, locks, quilting and sewing. Number 1. The first census of the United States was taken in the year blank. Number 2. The blank extended from New York City to Buffalo and was 363 miles long. 3. Beginning in the 1780s, blank engines were used to power boats. Number 4. A series of blank along a canal work like an escalator to help raise and lower boats up and down hills. Number 5. Pioneer women in the West would get together for blank parties. The next section is multiple choice. Indicate which answer is the best choice. Number 6. What were roads consisting of logs laid side by side called? Were they A. corduroy roads, B. cotton roads, C. ridge roads, or D. silk roads? Number 7. Which road connected Ohio with the East? Was it the East-West Road, the National Road, the Ohio Road, or the Vandalia Road? Number 8. Where did early pioneer families tend to settle in communities? A. Along canals, B. Along great rivers, C. Along state borders, or D. Along toll roads? Number 9. Which of these means of transportation contributed to the growth of river cities such as Cincinnati? Was it A. canals, B. Conestoga wagons, C. new roads, or D. steamboats?